Hey, happy holiday. Greetings from Queen Creek, Arizona. We were at Sabrina's mom's house where we're spending Christmas. I thought I'd share with you the latest update. We are moving back into the house. So let me show you what the latest things are. I thought I was going to get to relax, but I ended up connecting this patio heater up for Sabrina's mom because we're having friends over for clam chowder. So anyway, enjoy the video. It's been an interesting journey, and see what we've done. Well, one of the things that happened along the way is I broke off one of the outdoor hose bibs. Here it broke clean off at the wall, and I'll show you how I fixed it using a shark bite connection. Okay, so here's what I did to fix this problem. That's where the broken water line was. What I did is I soldered this coupling onto a piece of 3/4 inch copper tubing, and just like this setup here, this is a shark bite connector, and all I had to do was push that on to fix that water line. And then I installed a new outdoor dryer vent. I'm waiting for a flange for the inside for the dryer vent. Well, here you can see I'm multitasking. I'm cutting up this hot tub. It took me about 2 hours with a Sawzall. I just have to finish the base. Hey, if you ever have to cut a hot tub up, I tried using a demolition blade, an 8-inch, and that wasn't working, so I switched over to this, basically a lumber saw blade, 12-inch, and that went through that fiberglass and the pipe like butter. Anyway, the hot tub companies wanted $800 to $1,200 to cut up and remove the hot tub. So now I'm finishing up the kitchen. We're starting to move the furniture back in, and I'm doing backsplash. This is a thermoplastic product. And we're not going to put cabinets back up. We're going to put shelves. We got our new appliances in. Still got to put the handles in a refrigerator. The new washer and dryer. I put on filters because we're on well water to filter the water. And I had to replace that hot water valve. And then I got the dryer vent done to the outside, so I just have to hook up the dryer and we're good to go. So once I get this backsplash in, got one strip left cut out for that outlet, and then here's our new dishwasher, and the only thing I have left to do is screw that to the countertop. We cleaned the upstairs bedroom floor with that Auric, and Sabrina's got the bed in here. She made some drapes. I hung the curtain rods. Got the new lights in the bathroom, new faucet, and new bidet seat. That lights up, that's awesome. It's got a remote control. Okay, folks, that's it. Hope you appreciate this last update. I'll be back on YouTube again shortly. So you guys take care. If I don't see you before then, you have a happy holiday.